Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, does Regions Bank sell Visa gift cards? Before I get into the answer, I want to talk a bit about Regions Bank. Regions is a regional bank with over 1,600 branches in 15 states. They offer a variety of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. Now, back to the question at hand. Does Regions Bank sell Visa gift cards? The answer is yes. Regions Bank sells Visa gift cards in amounts ranging from $10 to $500. You can purchase gift cards at any Regions Bank branch location. There are a few reasons why you might want to purchase a Visa gift card from Regions Bank. First, Visa gift cards are accepted at millions of locations worldwide. This makes them a great gift for someone who loves to travel or shop. Second, Visa gift cards are a safe and convenient way to give money. You don't have to worry about the recipient losing cash or having their credit card information stolen. If you're looking for a gift card that's both versatile and easy to use, then a Visa gift card from Regions Bank is a great option. In addition to selling Visa gift cards, Regions Bank also offers a variety of other gift cards, such as Amazon, Starbucks, and Home Depot. You can find a complete list of gift cards that Regions Bank sells on their website. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.